So hi guys, we're back for part 2 and I'm excited to do this but also a bit nervous because I have no idea how far we'll get. I'm trying to make So my sister had to leave. She's busy doing something else. It's now a new day, so we've got new things to do. And yeah, so we are now climbing up this to try and hopefully find a key. So I'm hoping this won't take too long and we'll manage to do it quickly. But again, I have no idea. So I'm climbing along this. If you don't know, I had to start all again, so I've been taking time. What is that? And green. See if we can see anything about what we're doing next. But no. Oh, I just died, which means we're gonna have to do that whole level again. Don't worry, because we can do this quickly. Anyway, we're on like the highest level. Well, not one of the highest people on this board, so hoping that will not make anything happen. I mean, I did fall loads. Oh, this person's really annoying. He just wants to be the best. Oh, I just died again. Okay, my sister is much better at doing obbies than me. You've got to say that. I mean, even I say it. Those guys. I can't believe this is just finding a key. I mean, I could have just left this for my sister to do, but I can't. She's on a test. So, I'm hoping at some point my little sis might join me, but she will be in the starting level for a long time. Not for too long, I hope. But she isn't. She's like me, not good at obbies. Okay, starting to get stressful. I'm really not sure if I'm going to be able to do this. They're climbing high. I keep going. Okay, so we need to find something else to do. This is Mommy! We are speaking. This is pretty fun doing. So this might actually have to turn into part 3 by the rate and fastness we're going at. No. I mean, since this is a new channel, I don't really know much about any other easier way to film. So, I mean, we trust these guys for This is our first video. Well, we've got parts to do. It was just my sister, who's not joining me apparently. I bet she's doing. What are you doing, sis? What game? Lift Legends? So apparently we're going up lifts. No, we're lifting stuff. Oh, we're lifting stuff. So it looks like you're doing a lot of running there. Keep the sport up. I like you a bit more sporty than you usually are. You usually just a girl who just lies down in bed and doesn't care about anything. It's the oven beeping if you can hear it. It's quite loud. Good, this is going to push me up, I swear. Oh, there's the key. Okay, let's not die on this. Yes, it's got the key. What do we do now? I'm just going to jump down, hoping it's fine. You found the key. Let's steal this treasure. In we go. Shh, don't let him have treasure. Off with treasure to your cells with it. It's in the cells. Oh dear, I feel like I'm gonna drown. Ben, can you talk to me? I can't do this, Obbie. Where is it? I don't want us to drown. I'm guessing that's what's gonna happen if we don't finish this. How do you drown? Can I just swim this? Oh god, I can't see anything. Me either. Oh, there's light. Oh, there's stairs, there's stairs, there are stairs. Oh my god, it's already dark down here. Oh, there's a checkpoint. Let's get this checkpoint. Where's Barry? Whoa. I'm guessing Barry's not here to save my life this time. He actually doesn't want to save me. So just by the cannons of the ship. Hey Barry. Crazy idea. Let's jump into one of the... I hope there's one standing. Oh, apparently I jumped into one of the cannons. Oh, where are we? I need to have... Oh, a checkpoint. So I'm guessing I need to run away from these sharks. I'm just going to keep running. So far it's kind of easy. Oh god, this is going to make me sick. Please make it, please make it. Yeah, checkpoint. So, hopefully we can get through this one, isn't it? Wanna ride on a log farm? Please, please, please. I wish there was a way to skip. Oh no, this looks like that really long thing I saw. I'm gonna get in this bridge. I can't get in it. Confused, why are you not in the bridge? You're really confusing. Sorry, lady, but I took the boat. And you're just sitting there randomly in the air. Sorry. Sorry. So, oh look, I think we're going into that. They kind of make it like stairs. I mean, how long is this gonna be? So we don't have all day. Should I just run on this? Yeah, let's see. Does that work? What? I'm stuck? Come on. I'm trying to jump. Could be on this for a long time, baby. A long time. We actually died. We actually are on this for like ages. I saw my sister in it. So, while we're waiting, we need something to do. I'm moving. I don't want to stop moving. Okay, I'll be right back while you can watch this very long thing. So I checked on something which didn't work. Oh god, this is going to be on forever. Finally here, I checked on something and it did not turn out how I wanted it to turn out. I missed that big drop. Oh, was that fun? Tell me in the comments if that was fun. Or if it was just a boring thing. I don't know. Hi! My sister's here. Hello, my sis. She's playing a game that's more important than YouTube. So, I don't know when I'm going to stop this because this level is kind of boring. And we've been on here for quite a little bit of time. So, it depends how long this is going to take. But I think once we're past octopus, we're going to say bye and bitter stuff. Yeah. So we have been on it for some time. I mean, at least once this level's over. If it doesn't finish in time, then I think I'll just be with you guys for a bit. No, I'll just leave. This is not going. Oh yes, the level. Right. So it depends how long this next level is going to be. Actually, if I were you, I think I will just stay at this checkpoint here and see you in our next video. Bye! My sister probably won't be back yet, but bye! See you soon in part 3.